This is the only small batch eggless sugar cookies recipe that you need. Crispy on the outside and soft in the center, these are great for being used along with royal icing or buttercream frosting. We start by beating together the butter and sugar. Since this is a small batch, I am using a spatula here. Do not beat for long, just until the two are combined. Add in little water, about a teaspoon, and vanilla bean paste. Even though the recipe calls for 25 grams of water, just add a little at a time. Use all only if it is needed. You can also use vanilla extract or essence, but for basic recipes, I like to stick with good quality products. Mix them and finally fold in the dry ingredients in batches. Of course, towards the end, you will have to get in with your hands and bring together as a dough. Also remember, never knead a cookie dough. If you ever find that your cookies are tough, this is the culprit. So now you know, avoid that step. Then transfer to a cling wrap, flatten it a bit and chill for 15 to 30 minutes. After which, sprinkle some flour on the worktop and roll the chilled dough to 1/4 inch thickness. Using a cookie cutter, cut out the desired shape. Chill one more time. Yes, chilling it twice is crucial because this prevents the cookies from spreading out while baking. So chill the cookies one more time for another 15 minutes. Since it is a small batch, I am using my air fryer to bake them. You can also choose to bake these in the oven. The oven method has already been shared on the channel. The link will be shared in the description box below. In the air fryer, the cookies will be done in half the time, so around 7 to 9 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Bake the cookies till they are slightly golden around the edges and the center remains pale. Since it is a wire basket, I tend to cool my cookies in the basket itself before storing. The cookies were well baked and holds its shape and is sturdy enough to be iced on. I am serving this with my favorite buttercream frosting for cutout cookies, the recipe for which is coming soon on the channel. If that interests you, consider subscribing to our channel so that you do not miss any updates. I'll see you soon in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.